Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in the color Plum. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal patcher's box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. All right, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple. Grab at the edges with your fingers, and then just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay, at the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your patcher's box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it has the BS or British Standard, so you have peace of mind when you purchase this product. Also, you'll notice that they have 3 terminal hole screws, so this is a 2-gang 2-way light switch. So you can control your light from 2 separate locations. If you need to control it from 3 locations, you'll have to get the intermediate, but these modules are interchangeable, so if you get the SS2 and you find out later you need the intermediate, no problem. You can just pop that off, pop the new one in, and you're good to go. Also, these plates are interchangeable, so if you get tired of the color, or if you simply just want to change it, you can do that. Okay, nice and easy, just like that. Okay, let's put our original plate back on, just like that. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. So if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And finally, in the bottom right hand corner you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. And finally, let's just take a quick look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, at the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the 2-gang 2-way light switch, and then PL for the color Plum. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner is another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. And then finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here, so you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.